There's no Ford lane, there's no GM lane. We're definitely driving an expired car. I had no idea, it's not my vehicle. There's a big alarm going. Will we make it out of Mexico? It's a real possibility that we don't. A week ago, there was some very interesting news with Tesla. There's the Austin Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Those of you that aren't familiar with the geography of Texas, it is right on the border of Mexico. And while Tesla doesn't have a plant in Mexico, there are at least 10 suppliers that supply parts for the batteries and for the Tesla Model Ys. So every day, there are multiple trucks that are driving across the border from Mexico into Texas and then drive up for 2 or 3 hours to get to Austin to drop off the parts and supplies needed so that all of the cars and the batteries can get made. Well, the crazy news this last week is that Tesla somehow worked out a deal with the Border Patrol, either for the US or the Mexico side, so that there is a dedicated Tesla lane just for the suppliers of the Tesla parts, so that instead of taking 40 minutes to an hour to get through the Border Patrol, it should only take them hopefully like 10 minutes, and then that saves time, which then in turn saves money for Tesla for right now and into the future as they ramp up the production at Tesla Austin. In the pictures of all of the articles, they all show this picture of all these names in Spanish, and then it shows a Tesla sign. Well, it looks really cool. To me, it kind of looks photoshopped and it doesn't even look like the real picture. So of course, me being the weird YouTuber that I am, I decided I want to see this random lane at the border of Mexico to see if it actually exists. Why not take an actual Tesla car and try to drive it through the Tesla lane? You have a passport, right?
Got it.
All right, so Anuarbek, Tesla Owners Club Vice President? What are you,
Yep.
Vice President? One of the best Tesla people that I know. All right, so what are your thoughts? Do you think there's going to be a Tesla lane that we're gonna find, and will we be able to get in it?
I sure hope so. We've been dedicated a good amount of time for this.
We drove to Starbase last night and saw like the most incredible shots of the rockets that are up there. Unbelievable, put it on your bucket list. I definitely would put on your bucket list going to Starbase, maybe not so much coming to the Mexican border and driving into Mexico, but who knows, maybe we'll be surprised. Maybe it'll be some amazing experience. This place in Laredo, there's a border crossing that's like the main border crossing. That is not the one that Tesla has the exclusive deal with. It is up in a place called Columbia, which is about 20 miles that takes about 40 minutes to get to with traffic. There are so many semi-trucks that have trailers on them and some that don't even have trailers that are just like ready to go across the border and pick up a trailer to come back over. So we're already seeing a ton of shipping and logistics. And what I read in the news articles about this crossing is that, yes, it's like 6 or 7 suppliers that are bringing things over, but it's companies from Germany and different places around the world that bring the supplies to Mexico and then they bring them across the border here. So it's not all just Mexican companies that are the supplier companies. But I'm already starting to feel some nerves right now for 2 reasons. One, this car does not have very much range in it. It's more of like a drive around Austin kind of car. It has 270 miles range total. There's not very many superchargers out here. We would like to get back to San Antonio after we do this. It's gonna be really tight. Like, I'm feeling the range anxiety. But more importantly than that, reason number 2, I was reading just barely on the website about driving a car into Mexico, something that I've never done before. And one of the things that it says in there very clearly on the website for customs and border control, if your car has expired registration, there is the possibility that the Mexican government can impound your car and take it and keep it. Well, the registration is actually on the window in these cars. And I know it's backwards what I'm looking at. If I'm reading this right, it says February 2022. It's August 2022 right now. So we're definitely driving an expired car. I had no idea. It's not my vehicle. It's not Anuarbek's vehicle. It's one of our friends. And so yeah, it's expired. So I really don't want to get my friend's car impounded in Mexico, and I don't want to be stuck in Mexico. That's a little bit more concerning than the range anxiety. But put both of those together and I'm feeling nervous. This video has become a little stressful. So will we make it out of Mexico? It's a real possibility that we don't, but we will see how it goes. We're coming up on the border crossing right now. I've got cameras rolling. I hope this is the one and I hope they have the thing and I hope we can get back in. It's empty. There's no cars here.
Yeah.
Leaving the USA, declare over 10,000. Do you have over $10,000?
Nope. Do we go to the left?
I don't know. I've never been here before. Here we go. There's a Tesla. Oh, that's not a Tesla.
Autos. So do I go this way?
All autos, whatever. Yeah, go on that one. All right, so this is the moment of truth. Will there actually be a border crossing for Teslas?
They're not gonna say
$3.50.
Oh shoot.
I got $5.
Oh great. Hello. Sorry.
Estaba descansando los ojos. Well, you know what? Ay, ¿qué es? Sorry, mijo.
No problem.
It's okay.
Quise just let it happen again. Don't want us.
Thank
Thank you. Have a good day.
Gracias. Don't know what that place was, but you scared her, dude. Was she asleep?
She
She was asleep on the job, and then she started speaking Spanish to you.
Oh my god.
I don't know what that $3.50 is that we just paid.
We are in Mexico.
Okay, so I don't see back there. I don't see the Tesla signs.
Maybe it's up
Maybe
here.
it's on this next one. All right.
Yeah.
Well, don't drive too fast. I mean, look at this. We're driving across the border. I'm pretty sure
Is this the Rio Grande?
this is something. Well, yeah, there's a big river right there. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Look at that.
Bienvenidos.
Welcome to Mexico! What are we doing?
Oh my god.
We're going into Mexico.
Auto buses.
Just keep going in here, I guess. Oh man, there's not a person. Okay. Oh, it's red.
Take a picture.
I don't know.
Okay.
There's a big alarm going. What was that? Okay. Driving in. Okay. Right here, right here, right here. All right. Let's see what's up now. They want to talk to us over here. Up right here and see what this is. Hello.
How are you?
Do you need a passport?
¿Hacia dónde se dirige?
I don't speak Spanish, sorry.
Sorry.
Ok. Era yo.
Okay.
Hay que estacionarse bien, por favor. No, no, You want to open the front? Yeah. Okay.
So we just go down this way? Yes. Do you know the way?
Yeah. I think
Okay.
they said to go straight through.
All right, gracias.
Where's the key?
Do you have my camera that was right? Where's this one? Perfect. Okay, so we are forced to delete our footage off of the GoPros that were on the roof and take them down. And now we're driving. Is that the girl right there? Does it show Tesla? There it is!
Oh
it
my
shows
God,
Tesla!
it
It
is
is there! We're going through Tesla. We're going through the Tesla lane right now. There it is. I see it. Tesla. Tesla, do you have money? We're going to the Tesla lane. Do you have a US dollar?
No.
Good.
How much?
28 pesos, 1.45 en americano.
How much? Cinco?
20?
Okay.
Gracias. Oh, you want to change? Okay.
No, we're good. We're good. We go. Just go for it. Just go for it. We're in. We're moving in. We went through the Tesla lane. Yes, and we didn't get stopped. Oh my gosh, dude, they stopped us and quizzed us. We had to call Matt home, who this is his car. Oh my gosh.
Luckily, he speaks Spanish.
He does. Okay, so check it out. I mean, here's the border. We're going back. Okay, I don't know if we have another thing. Oh my gosh, dude.
We still gotta go through.
We still gotta go through a U.S. customs, maybe?
Yeah.
The car is expired, and they're like, your car's expired, and they don't speak English.
Yeah.
There's not very good English going on over there, so luckily we called Matt. He's in Italy right now at a soccer game. and somehow convince them
So there is
to
a
do it.
Tesla lane.
I mean, Matt is the best realtor in Austin, so I'm not surprised that he's like the best talking these people into letting us through. Like they were searching our car. They watched me delete the footage on 2 GoPros.
Where do I go? It's this way, I think, right?
Yeah, I go that way. It was like $4, I think, to pay for it, and I gave the guy a 50 because I didn't have any change. And I'm like, he's like, "Don't you want change?" I'm like, "Just keep it. Just keep it. We're just going." There we go. We're going back into Texas.
What should we tell them? We're just like tourists. We went.
Yeah, we're tourists.
Hello.
Okay.
Good man. How are you?
There's a big stop sign that's over there. I don't know if y'all saw.
Oh no,
No.
sorry.
So you got to wait exactly where that truck was at.
Oh my bad.
shoot.
No problem, man.
Sorry about
Can you
that.
take off your change
Oh
real quick?
yeah.
All right, where y'all coming from? Where y'all headed to?
Just tourists. We did a quick U-turn around.
All we did is a U-turn. Yeah.
Okay, well, where y'all from?
Austin.
Austin.
And Utah.
You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Where exactly did y'all go to?
We literally just did a U-turn right here. We didn't. We wanted to be on Mexican soil and come back.
There's a Tesla sign that says Tesla where you can drive through the Tesla
Oh,
gate.
that's right.
And so I wanted to see if it actually worked, and it totally worked.
What's that for? What's that the Tesla for?
The Tesla, so Elon Musk made a deal with the Mexican government.
hearing
The
about
supplies, the supplies go through quicker.
So we just thought, let's
So
try
we're like
driving
big
a
fans of Tesla. We wanted to see if there's actually a sign.
Yeah, but
And there is,
So
yeah.
you went through it?
Yeah, we just went through it.
I think he said it was $4, but all I had was a 50, so I gave him a 50, and he's like, said something in Spanish. We're like, just keep it, and then we just left.
Give him a $50
But
bill?
he is happy.
He got a good tip.
Yeah, any alcohol, meats, fruit?
No, there's
vegetables?
nothing in here.
All right, where's the trunk, man? I don't know Tesla.
Here.
Let me see if-
You want me to
Is it
open
in
it?
the back?
Yeah.
Or is it
I
the
just
front?
opened it.
There you go.
All right.
That's my company
How do you
car.
open this, man? Can I open
Oh,
it?
yeah.
Oh, it's like that,
It's
right?
like a latch. Yeah,
Oh,
latch.
okay, cool. I've never really like. Have a good one, sir.
Thanks, bro.
Thanks a lot. Have a good one.
Just, go through this thing or to the left? Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
We're back in America, baby! We did it! They let us in. Oh my gosh, were you nervous? You are literally sweating right now.
No, it was outside, dude. Like.
No, you're nervous. You're nervous. Okay, here's a border patrol car, so it's not over yet.
Yeah, we're
No,
almost.
that's a customs.
We're
That's
almost
a
out.
customs car.
Yeah.
Holy moly, that's crazy.
So you were right. They did like they mentioned our registration being out.
Yeah.
Like they were like picking on us. Like that was crazy.
A few things that we can confirm to you. Yes, there is a Tesla lane. I was legit nervous because the car's expired. They're searching through it.
It's
They
not our
watched me
car.
delete
It's not our
footage.
car. Number one.
There is a lane, and whether it's for suppliers or just for Teslas, it was impressive that we went through with the Tesla and they let us through. I would say that on YouTube, we are the first people to drive a Tesla through the Tesla lane at the Mexican border. The second thing is, don't go across the border in somebody else's car. Not a good idea.
With the expired registration.
Get some documents. The third thing, expired registration, which you just hit on. That's also worrisome. The fourth thing, if you're gonna go into Mexico, it's a good idea to have somebody that speaks the language with you. Common knowledge, right? But we were forced by the authorities to delete the footage. Wow, that was wild. And now range anxiety back. We've gotta go 172 miles, and it says we will be 5% by the time we get there. This has been stressful and amazing at the same time. We made it! That is why he's at a soccer game. We made it, we're out, we're in America!
We're in America.
USA! USA! We'll text
Yes.
it. We actually got super lucky. We made it up here to San Antonio. We're lucky that the wind, do you hear it? Do you hear that wind? The wind pushed us, so the car was more aerodynamic, and I sat behind some big trucks for a while. We made it here with 20 miles to spare. If you're somebody that's thinking about doing this trip and going down there, obviously get a vehicle that is your vehicle. Don't rent a car because you can't drive it into Mexico. Have a friend go with you that actually owns the vehicle. Make sure the car is registered. I think it's really cool, and I feel like there needs to be more of a story from Tesla itself on how they got Mexico. It wasn't the USA side, it is definitely Mexico. How did Tesla work with the country of Mexico in order to get their name on an actual lane? I mean, that's kind of some expensive real estate there. When we were there, there was not a line. There were no other cars that were there. But I would imagine it gets really busy sometimes, like 40 minutes, an hour. And because people can go in the Tesla lane, it's a lot quicker. So very interesting and innovative of Tesla to look at the supply chain route and actually take a step like that. And I want to know more of the story. So I would say stay tuned. You're going to see more in the media over time. I would imagine some people are gonna go and do what we do and try to go through the lane and maybe do it more properly than what we did it and get some better videos and some shots of it. As a YouTuber, I'm a little embarrassed in a way that I got caught up in the moment of getting worried about the 8 military people around us taking our passports and potentially impounding the car. And in that time, I'm a little embarrassed that I didn't do my job at doing a better job at filming the whole process. I was literally scared. They made me delete footage on GoPros. I was scared that it was not gonna work out so well for us and I was gonna be stuck in Mexico or my friend's car was gonna be gone. So I forgot about my duties as a YouTuber. I didn't do a good job at filming a lot of stuff, but there is visible proof I did film the thing, even though it wasn't the greatest shot. So I did it, but if I had to do it over again, I would definitely do it over again. Maybe I need to go back. I might need to go back. This one's a Model 3 and all the different doors have different handles for each one of the Teslas except for the Y and the 3.
Do you guys like sell Teslas or how do you?
No,
What's y'all's business?
No, I do real estate.
and I'm glad you kept showing him the State Farm insurance to show him.
I was like, no, this is it.
Look, State Farm insurance right here. This is our car. He's like, do you have registration? We're like, we have insurance, which doesn't even valid in Mexico. Also, if you didn't know, Texas is very warm. Look at this. We're gonna get to the airport, by the way. We're going straight to the airport at 5:54. I have a flight at 6:44. So yeah, I think we'll make it. But it is super toasty and there's quite a bit of traffic.